Claims fraud is essentially any claim that's falsely represented dishonestly. So it can be a policyholder, it can be a third party, it could be a property claim, it could be an injury claim, it can be a genuine loss that's exaggerated, or it could be an entirely bogus loss. The ABI report that last year insurers detected over £980 million worth of fraud. They also said that they believe the industry missed over £2 billion worth of fraud. In 2013, Aviva detected £110 million worth of fraud on about 17,000 claims. What we're detecting is that, in value terms, over 70% of our detected fraud is now committed by third parties, and third-party motor injury fraud is by far the biggest threat. We're investing a lot in the detection of organised fraud, so we now have a team of 25 people in our claims fraud intelligence team who now have over 5,000 injury claims attached to proven fraud rings. In the first place, we want more prosecutions, so it's in the police deprioritising fraud. Secondly, when we do our prosecutions, we want adequate and proportionate sentences. So currently, in the case of motor injury fraud, which is fraudsters causing real accidents, putting innocent motorists at risk and in harm's way, diverting emergency services, ambulances, police, A&E resources to entirely bogus events, we want proportionate consequences to that, and to claims worth tens of thousands of pounds. And too often, community service orders and fines are, we think, inadequate. And thirdly, we want legislation to strike out fraudulent third-party claims. So currently, even if a third party deliberately and fraudulently exaggerates an injury claim, often by tens of thousands of pounds, he's still able to recover his genuine loss. So really, there's no deterrent there for him not to have a go. So we want legislation to strike out those claims.